Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My
My
name
name
is
is
Ulil
Ulil
Absor,
Absor,
and
and
my
my
student
student
number
number
is
is
2361
2361
and
and
0259.
0259.
And
And
now,
now,
next
next
into
into
the
the
next
next
test
test
is
is
the
the
next
next
game
game
is
is
shorts
shorts
and
and
swap.
swap.
So
So
uh, I
I
will
will
uh, I
I
will
will
introduce
introduce
about
about
linear
linear
or
or
sequential
sequential
sorts.
sorts.
Uh, Linear
Linear
sorts
search
is
is
a
a
search
search
algorithm,
algorithm,
so
so
also
also
known
known
as a
as a
sequential
sequential
search
search
that
that
is
is
suitable
suitable
for
for
finding
finding
specific
specific
value in
value
the
in the
data
data
set.
set.
So
So
this
this
linear
linear
search
search
is
is
capable
capable
for
for
random
random
data
data
and
and
generally
generally slower
than
than
binary
binary
search.
search. So
So when
when
you
you
find the
find the
data
data
with
with
linear
linear
search,
search,
it
it
will
will
more
more
slow
slow
than
than
using the
using the
binary
binary
search.
search.
And
And
see
see
to the
to the
code.
code.
This
This
we
we
have
have
the
the
first
first
code.
code.
So
So
we
we
input
input
first
first
the
the
integer
integer
of
of
data,
data
and
and
the
the
index
index
is
is
5.
5.
So
So
this
this
is
is
data
data
set
set
5,
5,
and
and
the
the
value is
value is
20,
20,
37,
37,
42,
42,
77,
77,
and
and
98
98
and
and
89.
89.
And
And the
next we
next we
input
input
the
the
integer
integer
of find
find
and
and
find
find
it
it
equal
equal
by
by
0
0
and
and
print
print
out
out
cout
uh,
as a
as a
data
data
array.
array.
And
And
after
after
that,
that,
we
we
input
input
we
we
make
make
the
the
formula
formula
by
by
using the
using the
for
for
with
with
condition
condition
integer
integer
I
I
equal with
equal with
0
0
and
and
I
I
less
less
than
than
5
5
and
and
decrement
decrement
I.
I.
So
So
if
if
the
the
I
I
is
is
less
less
than
than
5,
5,
it
it
will
will
turn
turn
out
out
into the
into the
next.
next.
It
It
will
will
print
print
into
into
the
the
data
data
index
index
I,
I,
and
and
after
after
that
that
comes
comes
char
char
by
by
blank
blank
space,
space,
and
and
it
it
will
will
looping
looping
until
until
this
this
value
value
of
of
I
I
is
is
5
5,
eh,
eh,
4.
4.
So
So
if
if
the
the
value of
value of
this
this
condition
condition
is
is
false,
false,
it
it
will
will
stop.
stop.
And
And
next
next
into
into
the
the
next
next
printout,
printout,
uh,
uh,
input
input
the
the
value
value
that
that
we
we
looking
looking
for,
for
and
and
input the
input the
syntax
syntax
of
of
find.
find,
And
and
the
the
next
next
is
is
using
using
the
the
next
next
for
for
searching
searching
or
or
sorting
sorting
the
the
value of
value of
the
the
data.
data.
So the
So the
conditions,
conditions
we
we
input
input
the
the
integer
integer
I
I
with it
it
equal
equal
0
0
and
and
I
I
less
less
than
than
5
5
and
and
decrement
decrement
I,
I,
and
and
it
it
will
will
looping
looping
until the
until the
next
next
condition,
condition
if
if
condition
condition with
data
data
with
with
data
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 with
with
I
I
index
index
is
is
equal
equal
or same
same
with
with
find.
find.
So
So
it
it
will
will
next
next into
into the
the
find it
find it
equal
equal
by
by
1
1
and
and
print out
the
the find
find
it
it
by
by
nilai
nilai
yang
yang
dicari
dicari
terdapat
terdapat
pada
pada
data
data
ke,
ke,
and
and
input
input
the
the
formula
formula
is
is
I
I
plus
plus
1
1
and
and
break.
break.
So
So
if the
if the
condition
condition
is
is
true,
true,
it
it
will
will
loop
loop
until
until
the
the
for
for
conditions
conditions
is
is
false.
false.
So
So
basically
basically,
the
the
value
value
of
of
I
I
is
is
going
going
to
to
decrement.
decrement.
So
So
if
if
the
the
value of
value of
I
I
is
is
5
5
or
or
more,
more,
it
it
will
will
stop.
stop.
And
And
next
next
into
into
the
the
next
next
formula,
formula,
if
if
condition
condition
with
with
the
the
find it
find it
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
0
0
and
and
If
If
it's
it's
true,
true,
it
it
will
will
print
print
out
out
the
the
cout
cout
nilai
nilai
yang
yang
dicari
dicari
tidak
tidak
ditemukan.
ditemukan.
So
So
the
the
value
value
is
is
not
not
finding,
finded,
and
and
this
this
is.
is.
So
So
if we
if you
run,
run,
if
if
we
we
looking
looking
for
for
the
the
data
data
that
that
include
include
in
in
data
data
array,
array,
it
it
will
will
print
print
out
out
the
the
place
place
of
of
data.
data.
It's
It's
we
we
looking
looking
for
for
20,
20,
and
and
20
20
is
is
in
in
the
the
first
first
data.
data.
But
But
if
if
we
we
looking
looking
for
for
the
the
false
false
data
data
that
that
not
not
include in
include
the
in the
data
data
array,
array,
maybe
maybe
26,
26,
it
it
will
will
print
print
out
out
the
the
value
value
is
is
not
not
founded.
founded.
That's it.
That's it.
And
And
next
next
into
into
the
the
second
second
linear.
linear.
The
The
second
second
code,
code,
we
we
add
add
some
some
more
more
data,
data,
10
10
data,
data,
and
and
using
using
like
like
before
before
formula,
formula,
but
but
we
we
have the
have the
different
different
here
here
because
because
in
in
before
before
code
code,
we're
we're
just
just
using
using
if,
if,
but
but
in
in
this
this
code
code,
we
we
add
add
else.
else.
So
So
if
if
the
the
value
value
of
of
if
if
not
not
true,
true,
or
or
maybe
maybe
in
in
another
another
answer,
answer,
it
it
will
will
next
next
into
into
the
the
printout
printout
to
to
see
see
out
out
uh, the
the
value
value
that
that
the
the
value
value
founded
founded
in
in
the
the
number
number
the
the
data
data
of
of
uh,
um,
in the
in the
sequence.
sequence.
So the
So the
value
value
will be
will be
found
found
into
into
the
the
sequence
sequence
of
of
for
for
with
with
conditions.
conditions.
So
So
after
after
print out
print out
this
this
word,
word,
the
the
sentence,
sentence,
it
it
will
will
next
next
into
into
the
the
formula
formula
of
of
for
for
with
with
condition
condition
integer
integer
I
I
is
is
equal with
equal with
0
0,
and
and
I
I
is
is
less
less
or
or
same,
same,
less
less
or
or
equal with
equal with
founded.
founded.
So
So
we
we
know
know
that
that
the
the
founded
founded
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
0.
0.
So
So
if
if
it's
it's
true,
true,
it
it
will
will
decrement,
decrement,
and
and
after
after
that
that
print
print
out
out
the
the
hasil
hasil
hasil cari
cari
with
with
I
I
index
index
and
and
plus
plus
1.
1.
And
And
after
after
that
that,
we
we
add
add
some
some
blank
blanking
space
space
to
to
give
give
the
the
space.
space.
And
And
we
we
have
have
given
given
for
for
above
above
if
if
in
in
before
before
code
code
we
we
only
only
use
use
if
if
founded
founded
is
is
equal
equal
1, it
1,
will
we
print
print
out
out
the
the
value
value
that
that
founded
founded
in
in
sequence of
sequence of
what
what
number.
number.
But
But
this
this
code
code
will
will
just
just
decrement
decrement
the
the
founded
founded
and
and
calling
calling
out
out
the
the
hasil
hasil
cari
cari
with
with
the
the
index
index
of
of
founded
founded
is
is
equal with
equal with
I.
I.
And if
And if
it's
it's
run,
run,
sorry
sorry
guys,
guys,
because
because
I
I
was
was
input
input
the
the
wrong
wrong
condition.
condition,
So
so
suddenly
suddenly
it
it
print
print
out
out
the
the
wrong
wrong
print
print
out
out
the
the
output.
output.
So
So
this
this
is
is
the
the
true
true
output.
output.
We
We
know
know
that
that
the
the
sequence
sequence
of
of
number
number
77
77
is
is
within
in
the
the
fourth.
fourth.
But
But
if
if
we
we
input
input
the
the
false
false
number
number
that
that don't include
don't
don't
include
include
in
in
this
this
data
data
array,
array,
it
it
will
will
have
have
the
the
output
output
of
of
the
the
value
value
that's
that's
not
not
fine.
fine.
And the
And the
next
next
into
into
the
the
binary
binary
sorts.
sorts.
In
In
this
this
binary
binary
sorts,
sorts,
uh, this
this
binary
binary
has
has
different
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 system
system
with
with
linear
linear
or
or
sequential
sequential
sorts.
sorts.
in this binary search,
It's
it's only
only
for
for
the
the
data
data
that
that
has
has
done
done
for
for
the
the
sorting,
sorting,
and
and
generally
generally
more
more
faster
faster
than
than
linear
linear
search.
search.
So the
So the
function of
function of
search
search
is
is
looking
looking
for
for
the
the
data,
data,
and
and
next
next
into the
into the
code,
code,
first we
first we
input the
input the
target
target
to
to
input
input
the
the
value
value
that
that
we
we
want
want
to
to
search,
search,
and
and
input
input
the
the
data
data
exactly,
exactly.
and the
And the
next
next
input
input
the
the
integer
integer
of
of
low,
low,
mid,
mid,
and
and
high,
high,
and
and
found it
found it
equal
equal
with
with
0.
0.
This
This
low,
low,
mid,
mid,
height,
height,
it
it
will
will
definitely
definitely
uh,
uh,
for
for
looking
looking
the
the
position
position
of
of
value.
value.
So
So
next
next
input
input
the
the
cout
cout
of
of
data
data
array
array
and
and
add
add
some
some
for
for
with
with
condition
condition
integer
integer
I
I
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
0
0
and
and
I
I
less
less
than
than
10,
10,
and
and
decrement
decrement
of
of
I.
I.
And
And if
if the
the
condition
condition
is
is
true,
true,
it will
the
next
next
into
into
the
the
cout
cout
data
data
index
index
I
I
and
and
blank
blank
space.
space.
And
And
after
after
that,
that,
until
until
this
this
stop,
stop,
it
it
will
will
next
next
into
into
the
the
cout
cout,
as input
input
the
the
value
value
that
that
we
we
want to
want to
find
find
with
with
target.
target.
And
And
this
this
is
is
in
in
this
this
integer of
integer of
flow,
flow, we
we have
have
to
to
equal it
equal it
with
with
0.
0.
So
So
the 0
0
is
is
so
so
the
the
0
0
is
is
the
the
limit,
limit,
low
low
limit
limit
of
of
this
this
data,
data,
of
of
our
our
data,
data,
and
and
height
height
is
is
a
the
limit
limit
of
of
our
our
data.
data.
And
And
next,
next,
by
by
using the
using the
while
while
with
with
condition
condition
low
low
is
is
less
less
or
or
equal with
equal with
height,
height,
and
and
if
if
condition is
condition is
true,
true,
it
it
will
will
next
next
into
into
the
the
next
next
step
step
with
with
mid
mid
equal
equal
with
with
the
the
condition
condition
of
of
while,
while,
but
but uh,
uh, and
and
divided
divided
by
by
2,
2,
and the
and the
next,
next,
after
after
we
we
input the
input the
formula,
formula,
it
it
will
will
run
run
in
in
this
this
if.
if.
So
So
this
this
name
name
is
is
while
while
because the
because the
formula
formula
is
is
in the
in
while.
while.
So
So
in
in
this
this
if
if
condition,
condition,
with
the
target
target
is
is
equal with
equal with
index
index
of
of
data
data
or
or
mid,
mid,
and
and
this
this
in
in
this
this
if
if
we
we
know
know
we
we
will
will
input
input
we
we
will
will
give
give
the
the
condition
condition
with
with
founded
founded
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
1
1,
and
and
print
print
out
out
the
the
value
value
that
that
we
we
want to
want to
find,
find,
and
and
inline
inline
and
and
brick.
brick.
But
But
if
if
we
we
put
put
the
the
other,
other,
or
or
I
I
mean,
mean,
if
if
the
the
result
result
is
is
not
not
fulfilled,
fulfilled,
is
is
not
not
true
true
with
with
the
the
if
if
condition,
condition,
it
it
will
will
next
next
into
into
the
the
else
else
if
if
with
with
condition
condition
target
target
more
more
than
than
data
data
mid,
need,
and
and
will
will
run
run
in
in
this
this
formula
formula
with
with
low
flow
is
is
equal with
equal
mid
mid
plus
plus
1,
1,
or
or
if the
if the
result
result
of
of
this
this
formula
formula
mid,
mid,
if
if
the
the
target
target
is
is
not
not
equal
equal
with
with
this
this
condition,
condition,
it
it
will
will
next
next
to
to
the
the
else
else
if
if
with
with
target
target
is
is
less.
less.
It's
It's
not
not
more,
more
but
but
less.
less.
And
And
we
we
input
input
the
the
formula of
formula of
as
as
if
if
with
with
height
height
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
mid.
mid,
Uh, increase
increase
mid
mid
minus
minus
1,
1,
and
and
that's
that's
while
while
condition.
condition.
But
But
if the
if the
target
target
is
is
not
not
true
true
with
with
the
the
while
while
condition,
condition,
it
it
will
will
skip
skip
into
into
the
the
next,
next,
or
or
if
if
we
we
found it
found it
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
0.
0,
So
so
it
it
will
will
obviously
obviously
print
print
out
out
by
by
the
the
value
value
that's
that's
not
not
fine.
fine.
And
And
the
the
result
result
of
of
our
our
code
code
from
from
the
the
code,
code,
from the
from the
output,
output,
we
we
know
know
that
that
the
the
value
value
is
is
not
not
founded
founded
because
because
the
the
target
target
is
is
not
not
included
included
in
in
the
the
condition.
condition.
In
In
this
this
code,
code,
I
I
was
was
inputting
inputting
the
the
false
false
condition
condition
because I
because I
was
was
inputting
inputting
the
the
condition
condition
of
of
formula
formula
of
of
mid
mid
by
by
equal
equal
with
with
low
low
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
height.
height.
So
So
the
the
true
true
condition
condition
and the
and the
true
true
formula
formula
is
is
low
low
plus
plus
height
height
and
and
divided
divided
by
by
2.
2.
And
And
this
this
is
is
the
the
result.
result. If we want to find
the
the
44
44
value,
value,
uh,
uh,
and
and
next
next
into the
into the
printout
printout
of
of
the
the
value
value
that
that
we
we want to
find
find
is
is
in
in
fourth
fourth
sequence.
sequence.
But
But
if
if
we
we
put
put
the
the
false
false
uh,
uh,
number
number
that
that
don't
don't
include
include
in the
in the
data
data
line,
line,
then
and
we'll
will
print
turn
out
out
into
into
the
the
value
value
can
can
found
found it.
it. And
And
next
next
to
to
the
the
sort.
sort.
Sort
Sort
is
is
obviously
obviously
different
different
with
with
binary
binary
sorts,
sorts,
linear
linear
1
one
and
and
2,
two,
because
because
sort
sort
is
is
sorting,
sorting,
not
not
search
search
the
the
code.
code.
So
So
this
this
is
is
this
this
system
system
will
will
sorting
sorting
the
the
data
data
that
that
we
we
input
input
into
into
the
the
database.
database.
So
So
next,
next,
first
first
we
we
input
input
the
the
integer of
integer of
data
data
as
as
a
a
10
10
index.
index so
So
the
the amount
amount
of
of
data
data
is
is
10
10
value,
value,
and
and we
input
put
the
the
integer
integer
of
of
I,
I,
G,
G,
and
and
T,
T,
and
and
P.
P,
And
and
first
first
input
input
the
the
cout
cout
of
of
input
input
the
the
value
value
from
from
little
little
and
and
until
until
the
the
big
big
value.
value.
And
And
next,
next,
in the
in the
first
first
condition,
condition,
with
with
for
for
condition,
condition,
integer
integer
I
I
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
0
0
and
and
I
I
is
is
less
less
than
than
0
0
and
and
decrement of
decrement of
I.
I.
And
And
if
if
the
the
condition
condition
is
is
true,
true,
it
it
will
will
print
print
out
out
into
into
the
the
input
input
the
the
number
number
of
of
the
the
number
number
of
of
this
this
formula
formula
I
I
plus
plus
1,
1,
and
and
input
input
this
this
sign,
sign,
and
and
using the
using the
syntax
syntax
of
of
data
data
index
index
I,
I,
because
because
we
we
want
want
to
to
know
know
that
that
this
this
formula
formula
is
is
have
have
the
the
this
This
formula
formula
have
have
this
this
value,
value
and
and
save
save
this
this
value
value
into
into
the
the
sort,
sort,
the
the
number,
number,
the
the
sorting.
sorting.
And
And
after
after
we
we
input
input
uh,
uh,
the
the
number
number
until the
until the
condition
condition
is
is
false,
false,
maybe
maybe
the
the
I
I
is
is
equal with
equal with
10
10
or
or
more.
more.
So
So
the
the
for
for
is
is
the
the
condition
condition
of
of
for
for
is
is
false.
false.
It
It
will
will
stop
stop
and
and
next
next
into
into
the
the
printout
printout
of
of
data.
data.
Uh,
Uh,
this
this
to
to
print
print
out
out
first
first
the
the
data.
data.
First
First
the
the
unsorted
unsorted
data,
data
and
and
second
second
is
is
sorted
sorted
data.
data.
In
In
this
this
unsorted
unsorted
data,
data,
we
we
put
put
the
the
first
first
four
four
with condition
condition
I
I
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
0
0
and
and
I
I
less
less
than
than
10
10
in
in
decrement
decrement
of
of
I,
I
and
and
print
print
out
out
data
data
by
by
I,
I
and
and
until
until
this
this
for
for
condition
condition
is
is
false,
false.
we'll
Go
next
next
into
into
the
the
second
second
for
for
with
with
condition
condition
I
I
is
is
equal with
equal with
0
0
and
and
I
I
less
less
than
than
9,
9
because
because
why
why
we
we
use
use
the
the
9
9
limit,
limit
because the
because the
first
first we
we use
use
the
the
10
10
as
as
as the
as the
amount
amount
of
of
data,
data
and
and
if the
if the
condition
condition
is
is
true,
true
it
it
will
will
next
next
into
into
the
the
next
next
condition
condition
of
of
for
for
with
with
g
g
is
is
equal with
equal with uh,
the formula
formula
I
I
plus
plus
1,
1
and
and
g
g
is
is
equal with
equal with
10
10
and
and
decrement
decrement
g.
g.
And
And
if
if
the
the
condition
condition
is
is
true,
true,
it
it
will
will
next
next
into
into
the
the
if
if
data
data
with
with
index
index
I
I
is
is
more
more
than
than
data
data
with
with
index
index
g.
g.
We
We
have
have
the
the
formula
formula
with
with
TNP
TNP
is
is
equal with
equal with
data
data
I,
I
and
and
data
data
I
I
is
is
equal with
equal with
data
data
G,
G
and
and
data
data
H.
H,
You
you
call
call it
it
something,
H,
H,
and the
and the
data
data
of
of
H
H
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
TNP.
TNP.
And
And
if
if
the
the
value
value
of
of
these
these
conditions
conditions
is
is
false,
false,
it
it
will
will
stop
stop
and
and
back
back
into
into
the
the
for
for
condition.
condition.
And if
And if
this
this
for
for
condition
condition
has
has
the
the
false
false
value,
value,
it
it
will
will
turn
turn
back
back
into
into
the
the
for
for
before
before
for
for
before
before
condition.
condition.
And if
And if
it's
it's
false
false
again,
again,
it
it
will
will
stop.
stop.
And
And
in
in
this
this
system,
system,
but
but
uh,
uh,
if
if
the
the
data
data
that
that
we
we
input
input
and
and
the
the
next
next
is
is
the
the
next
next
is
is
the
the
sorted
sorted
data
data
by
by
using
using
the
the
for
for
uh, with
with
condition
condition
I
I
is
is
equal
equal
with
with
0
0
and
and
I
I
less
less
than
than
10
10
and
and
decrement
decrement
of
of
I.
I.
If the
If the
condition
condition
is
is
true,
true,
it
it
will
will
print
print
out
out
as a
as a
data
data
of
of
index
index
I
I
and
and
at
at
the
the
blank
blank
space
space
in the
in the
last
last
data.
data.
So
So
if
if
we
you
run,
want,
we have
you
to
have to
input
input
the
the
first
first
number,
number,
the second
second
number.
number.
We
We
just
just
inputting
inputting
uh,
uh,
by
by
unsorted.
unsorted.
And
And
this
this
is
is
the
the
printout
printout
of
of
the
the
unsorted
unsorted
data.
data.
We
We
know
know
that the
that the
first
first
data
data
we
we
input
input
is
is
12,
12
and the
and the
second
second
is
is
14,
14
and
and
the
the
third
third
is
is
43.
43.
But
But
in
in
this
this
sorted
sorted
data, we
data, we
know
know
that
that
Uh,
Uh,
the
the
first
first
data
data
after
after
sorted
sorted
is
is
12,
12,
and the
and the
second
second
is
is
12,
12,
and the
and the
third
third
is
is
14,
14,
and
and
next
next uh,
uh, it's
it's
sorted
sorted
from
from
the
the
little
little
value
value
until
until
the
the
big
big
value,
value,
and
and
that's
that's
all.
all.